So I took the course of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript mastery, and the course benefited me a lot in developing my front end skills for the web development part. Second thing is the way it is structured. It is not like any other orthodox or conservative course that they will teach you everything and they'll just go teaching you. It's more of a hands-on experience do when you start thinking that oh, things can be done in that way also. So that was very interesting. Secondly, I think it will help me for my to. It was a very good starting point for my journey to for web development. I think it's a very interesting and vast field, and nowadays with AI and all coming into picture, the basic front end part to anyone can do. So it's all about your thinking and all about how you can think to create it in a different way. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.